Like for some reason, I am getting pictures in my mind of like a snowy landscape far north with trees and the branches are all puffy with snow, like cotton candy. And it's not windy. It's very calm. Just that crisp air after a big snowfall. And it's very still. You can hear my feet crunching through the snow. And there's water. There's a stream that has ice on it, but is still flowing. And so I like to know what message that means for me. And so I'm going to focus on the crystal in my hand. Yeah. So what I'm getting is in letting go of control, which is represented by the ice, I allow the water to flow and flow with it. That's when transformation is possible. And I think I've been struggling with that a bit because I want things to be a certain way and they're not.